Hi, I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. Here it is in context. Okay, so the main concept behind this sound is just filtering a square wave. That's it. So operator 1 is just a square wave. That's it. Nothing special. Operator 6 is a sine wave with a volume envelope on it for just sub reinforcement. Filter 1 is our just default chocolate state variable filter. That just has single mode on, default envelope mount, cutoff, no resonance. And of course the low slider is maxed out while the band and high slider is off. And this is just my volume envelope to articulate the sound basically. And here's the cutoff envelope. And that's really the sound. Nothing really crazy. But turn off the volume, it'll still sound. It'll still have that attack, but it won't cut off abruptly. We'll have that tail end, which is why I have the sub. It helps beef up the tail. Of course, you could use FM to do FM things and manipulate the sound as needed. So we'll mess around with that. Oops. So that's envelope on. You get the point. So yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know, and have an awesome day.